On a quiet island surrounded by the sea lived a boy named Lio and his dog Mako. They had no one but each other, and that was all they needed. Every night they sat in their treehouse telling stories to the stars. The sea sang softly like a lullaby just for them. Their days were filled with laughter, running free under the sun, racing seagulls and chasing waves. Lio climbed coconut trees like a monkey, while Mako barked from below, tail wagging like a drumbeat of joy. But one evening a strange fog rolled in, thick and glowing, and from it came something dark. A wicked witch stepped onto the island. "This place is mine now," she hissed, but Lio stood firm. "No, this is our home." The witch raised her staff and vines slithered toward them. But Lio was quick and clever. In a tidepool, Lio noticed something strange. The witch had no reflection. He whispered to Mako, "The sea doesn't like her." They led her through the jungle, twisting, turning, until they reached the shore, where the ocean waited. Lio and Mako stood in a tide pool. The witch followed, her magic flashing wildly. The sea rose with a mighty roar. A whirlpool swirled, glowing bright, and the witch was pulled into its depths, vanishing forever. Peace returned to the island, and as they sat by the waves, Lio smiled and said, "Guess the sea really is on our side."